Okay guys, today we are watching top 20 CSGO highlights. Okay, let's start it. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Very fail moment. Oh my god, like a monkey. Is this really? It is impossible. It is really impossible. What the fuck was that? Okay, let's do it. Do it. What the fuck was that? Very fail moment. Yeah, hell yeah. Yes, he is very incompetent. He is very incompetent. Okay, what the fuck was that? Yes, tweet. Bye bye. Poor man. Yes. Okay, why? What the fuck was that? Unlucky man. Oh my god. He is sleeping. Yeah. Yes. Lucky man. Very lucky man. Yes. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. Oh my god, it is incredible moment. Nice shoot, what? What the fuck? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Oh my god. Very incompetent. Yes. Yeah, what the fuck was that? I'm losing my mind. Oh my god, I don't know. Yes, what the fuck? Oh my god. Very anger moments. Hello. Oh my god. It is very huge moment. Yeah, like a superhero. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes. You can't see anything. What the fuck? Nice AFP. Oh my god. That is very huge moment. Yes, worst teammate ever. Worst teammate ever. What a reflex. What a reflex. Is he dead or what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? I don't believe my eyes. Hello mates. Unlucky man. Okay, do it. What? It is real? It is real. What the fuck was that? It is very fail moment. It is very fail moment. What a luck. Yes. Okay. Let's do it, what the... Okay, let's do it. Okay, yes. Hello guy. Hello my mate. Welcome my mate. Who is he? My darling. Okay, bye. Nice knife. What the fuck was that? Is it happening? Is it really happening? Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.